while you was sleeping. Yeah, you think the hype died? Nah, I don't think so, man. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we got the Air Jordan 4 by Maniere. The While You Was Sleeping package, just like the Jordan 3s I showed y'all a couple weeks ago. Yeah, maybe like 3 weeks ago. That was August. We're in October. But these dropped September 20 something, guys. About a week ago. I got a lot of releases to get to y'all. I've been everywhere. But the name of these sneakers is kind of off. It is the While You Was Sleeping situation, but some people calling it Fossil. Some people calling it Phantom. I just like them, guys. I know a lot of y'all Maniere pairs didn't ship yet. I want mine on the sneaker app. They actually, a few sizes still on the Nike app, so you can pause the video and come back. Or watch the video and then decide if you want to get it. Let's hit the B-roll.
Either you're somebody or you're nobody.
Yes, sir. So you can see it's still coming that beautiful, gorgeous package. Opens up like a McDonald's Happy Meal. And it's all Maniere, so you still gonna get little tones of that purple. You know, purple stands for royalty. It's always a woman exclusive. And I think that's one of the reasons why they sitting, but we'll get to that in a minute. Let's unbox these, man. Hit the music.
Unboxing time.
So again, just like the Jordan 3s, you get this dope box, man. Like, I'm in a situation where even if you ain't keen on a sneaker, the way this thing opened up, guys, it's like, it's a collector's item, man. So they got an Maniere 10-year anniversary and that like metallic silver look, real dope. And then when you open it up, you get more metallic. Very, very nice, guys, like a mirror. They got a purple rag for royalty. The whole inside of the box is silver, guys. The whole inside of the box. You do get regular tissue paper too. Very dope, man. There's no sizing thing. I was trying to show y'all the size and then the color thing. You do get a Jordan Jumpman here. And here's a 360 view of the While You Was Sleeping Maniere Jordan 4s, man. And off the bop, any Jordan 4 or Jordan 3 sporting Nike Air on the booty, I'm copping, guys. I'm copping it. If it got Nike on that booty, I'm copping, and we got it here. I started with the left shoe because the left shoe has the large hang tag. So if you're trying to spot fakes, the hang tag is on the left shoe, guys, with some other things. But let's go to the toe box. UNBOX suede, guys. Not light to dark because the sneaker's light as it is, but smooth and soft, guys. Listen, shh. You hear that? That's material. That's quality. Around it, you get that Jordan 6 Travis Scott khaki look. The rugged UNBOX suede. Looks like a carpet. I like it. I wish it was purple. I'm not going to lie. I wish it was purple. That's what I liked about the Jordan 3. It was gray on top of the black. It gave you more colors. But I really like this look. Right here creeping in is black. I know in some pictures it looked purple. I mean, I think it would have been better purple, but it's black here. And under here where you got all your stars, that's like a burgundy crush situation. That is burgundy. If you know Maniere, it's usually burgundy or purple. That's their colors. Now let's get to the tag. Dope, nostalgic Jordan 4 tag. Very heavy. Have to take it off or you're going to be clinking everywhere. But that's dope. Says Nike Air in that purple. Then you get your Maniere tag and a cardboard look. But it is chromed out in the back. Maniere and Jordan logos present. Let's get this out the way. Let's get more into the sneaker. There go your fossil colorway or your violet, or because it does give you hints of purple in it. Even though it's a light sand bone colorway, you do get hints of purple all through the sneaker. As you see it, as more light reflects, you do get that violet colorway. But the material, guys, A1. Your Jordan 4 netting here, OG. Again, I just wish it was purple, more purple in the sneaker, but I like the look, very clean. Let's get to the tongue here. On your left side, you got the Maniere logo on the tongue. Very big tongue. Not thick, because the tongue is skinny, but very huge tongue. It comes in your sand color shoelaces, which I would love to swap out. Swapping out Jordan 4 laces is a lot, but I would love to swap that out. Inside, you got the Move to Zero box. They done with the sandwich bags. These are better for the earth. This colorway in here is white. Usually they come with more joints. Let's look in the other shoe later in the video. Let's try to get behind this tongue. What does that read? The Air Jordan upside down, very classic. I believe this started as a mistake, but it's been on every Jordan 4 since. Show y'all more detail on the tongue. Besides the chrome or pop out Maniere A, it does say Flight at the bottom. Inside of the shoe, still got that black Jordan 4 classic silhouette here. But the inside looks just like the outside. The air bubble is white in there. In the bottom, more bone look. All the way at the bottom, that looks just like the Jordan 1 looked just like that at the bottom. The Maniere Jordan 1 with the burgundy mixed in with the white. But this is the Jordan 4 silhouette. This is the left shoe here, and the inside still looks like a luxury car in the inside, man. With the diamond pillowcase material looking, silk pillowcase material looking the inside. And in the right shoe, we did have more shoelaces. This looks more of a cream color, so we didn't get burgundy or purple. It's white in like an off-white or cream look. With that being said, if you're not going to go purchase some purple laces yourself, I'll stick with what's inside. But unlike the left shoe, the right shoe just has the Jordan Jumpman and it says Flight here. So this looks more of a classic Jordan 4 look here. Let's get to the back. There go your pull tab here, OG Jordan 4. When you was a kid, this helped you put your sneaker on. Now as an adult, it's just nostalgic. It's just dope, man. And everything adds up from right to left besides the tongue change and the tags from the right to the left. As you can see, the only difference is the tongue. Both say Nike on the back. The left has the tags, but everything else is the same. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna front. When they dropped on the Maniere site, like three to 5 days before Sneakers app, I didn't even try because usually with the Maniere shipping, you won't get them to 2 weeks after sneakers done dropped and you got your pair. Luckily with the Jordan 3, that didn't happen with me. When I got my Jordan 3s off the Maniere website, I got my pair way before sneakers dropped. The 4s was different and I felt it in my bones. You get it? Bump. Back to the video. I like them, guys. So the reason why they sitting, my opinion, woman exclusive. Besides the Maniere, no other woman exclusive Jordan sells out, goes crazy, get the hype. They bring back the satin breads, guys. Made it woman exclusive and they sat. Reimagined Royals, sat. That woman exclusive, the sneakers don't do well. I love Tiana Taylor. I even love that Jordan 1, that concrete rose joint. Look at it. It's the woman exclusive, and it shouldn't be that way because Maniere give us up to size 15, 16, so we could get in them, guys, but I think that's the reason why I sat. Also, I don't care how big you are. Well, Travis Scott, Bad Bunny, it's some exclusions. They just dropped a couple weeks ago. Even though it's a different silhouette, people pockets, man. People don't have that $225 for every drop. And I get you guys. I get you. But $225 was retail. I think $244 shipped to me, New York, from the Nike app. Not even the sneakers app. I got it from the Nike app. It's still sizes there, but I feel like this is going to be one people felt like they shouldn't have slept on. You get it while you were sleeping. Maybe it's something to this madness. Maybe they had this planned all along. But let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. These are one I'm going to keep in the vault. I'm not really crazy to throw these on. This light colorway is... got to take care of these, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.
Ain't nobody.